Today's design and construction projects require disparate teams to collaborate closely so they can complete projects on time and on budget. But with distinct teams come data silos and disconnected communication. Autodesk BIM 360 removes these barriers with a single platform that connects design and construction processes and project teams in one place. BIM 360 Glue speeds the coordination process between contractors, designers, fabricators, and trades, so they can identify and resolve problems between participants before construction begins, saving time and money. With BIM 360 Glue, teams can merge models in the cloud to accelerate constructability reviews on and off the job site. Navigate aggregated models and toggle visibility to hide and reveal model components. Get clash results immediately when new model versions are published and drill down to clash details. And with the support of multiple file types and offline model viewing, team members have access in the field to needed information on their mobile device. Coordination is put into the hands of the entire project team, democratizing specialized tasks and letting multidisciplined teams to take responsibility for the quality and accuracy of their content in real time. BIM 360 Glue is part of Autodesk BIM 360, the only cloud platform that connects design and construction teams, processes, and data to inform decision-making, improve outcomes, and accelerate project delivery. Experience the power of a connected project. Try BIM 360 today.